Cooking with CanCooker, I'm your host, Seth McGinn. Today, we're in the beautiful outdoors. Gonna make some great breakfast. Let's get started. Good morning, folks. Gonna show you how to use the new Gravity Grill Combo. This one's in our storage bag. Man, so easy to use, simple, easy, convenient. The storage bag keeps it all together for you to have a quick, easy setup. 2 posts go right in here. Screw them together. I like to place it on the inside of the fire ring. Tap it in. Use a block of wood. Here's your grill. I like to use the griddle as a table if you aren't cooking right away on it. Let's get started. Today we're gonna make breakfast. So we'll use the griddle. So we'll swap these around. After it's been in the fire, I'd recommend a good set of gloves because it will get hot. Take the griddle off, just tip it back, lift straight up. So easy to use. Throw our griddle down. And now we can use our grill as a table. All right, we'll do a little bacon, sausage, and eggs. Start with some sausage. Everything seems to taste better when you're cooking outdoors. Good food, great outdoors. For this recipe and many more, go to CanCooker.com. Wait a minute, that's not enough. We got a bunch of hungry guys. Let's do some pancakes. Clean this up. So easy to use, so easy to clean. Now, we're ready to eat. For these recipes and many more, go to CanCooker.com.